right, we are out here today. Behind the scenes look at the Awesome Science Labs intro. It's gonna be a little wild. We're gonna try and pull off a lot in one take when we only have one camera, one opportunity to do it. We're gonna have some moving walls on wheels. We're gonna have a big explosion, some color smoke. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You'll see the final product, hopefully, successfully later.
All right, so the crew of Awesome Science Media is out here putting together the set for the opening of Awesome Science Labs. Kyle Justice behind the camera here. Oh, there he is. All right, and we have the ladies over here. And Pat. Sorry, Pat.
Hey, how's it going?
I said the ladies over here, and I didn't know you were over
That's
here.
okay.
He's an honorary lady.
I'm okay.
And his two daughters, Summer and Melody.
So what we're doing here is, here, why don't you back up a little bit, Mel? We are going to be making a wall of elephant toothpaste. And so we've got to try and figure out how to deliver the chemicals without having them spray on us. So we're trying to come up with a little way that maybe this will work, where when we lift this up, the chemicals will flow into this pipe and then it'll mix, and then hopefully elephant toothpaste will shoot up out of this pipe. We'll see if it works.
We should, put on some wheels.
Wheels.
Yeah, it's even this side, correct? Like we didn't want to.
Yeah, one on each.
Oh, okay. I see what's going on.
Yeah.
The chemicals cost a lot of money, right? So the reason we have to do this in one take is we just don't have, enough to keep doing takes over and over again. So it's one time and then we're done. So.
Let me just use this.
A lot of hope.
Okay, we're just securing the back. These are going to be our faux walls. And we have a little contraption at the bottom here to put some rollerblade wheels that'll act as a smooth dolly on some PVC pipe. The walls are going to hopefully smoothly roll apart. Never done this before.
They're not.
Okay, so we're just testing with water right now. But the problem we've been having is the water flows over the top of the pipe, and we need it to go inside the notch that we've cut out here. So we're not sure if we're going to go with this system or not. Somehow we've got to figure out how to get the chemicals in there and get it in quick, because it actually reacts in just a few seconds. Oh no! Hey, I think that's going to work. Huh? Check that out. I think it's going to work. Yeah.
Oh, sweet feel.
But that was like graduation gift from my dead grandma, so don't lose that. All right.
All right, so we're trying to make sure that this is exactly level, because we want the chemicals to be spread out evenly. We don't want them all to go to one end now, so we got to make sure that that's... Okay, Summer, can you push her down just a little bit? It needs to go down just a touch. And then I hate to say it, we have to lift it out and pour the water out.
Watch for next leveling it.
Yes, we're actually leveling it. How is there even potassium permanganate in there? We haven't even opened the bottle yet.
It was probably the volcano.
I think it's just permanently in your bloodstream at this point.
Yeah, that's probably true, huh?
That's why you're so explosive.
Welcome to Awesome Science Labs. I'm Pat Roy, and today we're going to talk about science.
Dad!
Mel!
Let's next level this.
Right! Rip, lift.
Tip and flip.
Okay.
You got it.
1,
2.
Wow. The choreography.
Hey, good job, good job. Okay.
If it gets windy.
So we're just gonna be careful that we don't break the wheels on the bottom and that we don't break this shelf. We're gonna line up. This one's gonna be important because we need to line it up exactly with the other one. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So we're just gonna kind of hold it in the air at first. Okay, go ahead and tilt it up, Nathaniel. Okay.
Keep going.
All right, keep going. Keep going. And then let's turn it counterclockwise here. And then Summer, can you bring the PVC pipes over? Oops, that's what we need to watch out for. Okay. I'm gonna lower it. We're testing out the walls here to make sure that they kind of come apart at the right time and the right speed to reveal the fact that we are not in a laboratory, but that we're in a giant field. All right. This will help reveal the fact that there is or hide the fact that there's sunlight. Dad, let's next level this thing. Awesome! Looking good, looking good. All right, let's move him back to position 1. Yeah, so the goal will be to cover the wall with the shadow.
Do you think we'll get Grammys
Grammys.
for being the best moving walls ever?
Grammys.
Yeah,
That's music, man.
You won't.
Oh. Fine, an Oscar. That's what it is. It's an Oscar.
Yeah. Yes, you will.
Is it supposed to be like that?
Is this one? This one's yours. Okay.
I really saw the emotion you put into that wall. Like, wow. It was really compelling. You must have really you must have lived the role, didn't you?
Brought it to life.
Yeah. I mean, well, normally I am a wallflower, so it really wasn't that too far off from my regular routine.
Okay, Mel, you want to help me put the drops in?
How many?
Just a couple drops.
Okay, we're dropping. Let Nathaniel know when he needs to start pouring the butane in.
Yeah, I would do that probably now.
Okay, go ahead, Nathaniel, and start pouring the butane in. Okay.
All right, get ready. Almost there.
What should I put? Just
Little crew is chipping in to make it happen.
Okay, here we go.
You guys ready?
Let me know when to start lighting.
Okay, hold on.
Hold on.
Okay, everybody ready?
Well, let me know when you're ready.
Okay, go. Welcome to Awesome Science Labs. I'm Pat Roy, and today we're going to talk about science.
Dad,
Melody!
let's next level this.
Yes!